Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss about preparation of amines. The first method of preparation is from nitro compound. When nitro compound undergo reduction, the presence of nickel, it gives primary amines. For example, nitroethane, when it is reduced, it gives primary amine, that is ethanamine. The same way, when C6H5NO2, that is nitrobenzene, when it is undergo reduction in presence of platinum catalyst at 680 Kelvin, it gives C6H5NH2, that is aniline. It forms a aniline. Next method of preparation is from nitriles. When this ethane nitrile, this is ethane nitrile, undergo reduction, the presence of sodium amalgam or CH2 C2H5OH, that is an alcohol, it gives ethanamine. The same way, methyl isocyanide, when methyl isocyanide undergo reduction with sodium amalgam, and it gives N-methyl methanamine. Next one is from amides. Reduction of amides with lithium aluminum hydride. When this amides undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives amines. Next method is Hofmann degradation reaction. When amides are treated with bromine, the presence of aqueous KOH. Amides, when it is treated with bromine, in presence of aqueous KOH, we will be getting a primary amine with one carbon atom less than the parent amides. So here one R group, alkyl group, and one carbonyl group is present, but in the product it is only one alkyl group only present. Here one carbon atom is less than the parent amide. Next method of preparation is Gabriel Thallamide synthesis. That is very important question. Here this method is used to prepare aliphatic primary amines when phthalimide on treatment with ethanol and KOH, that is alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it forms potassium salt of phthalimide. This is potassium phthalimide. And here this hydrogen and this hydrogen is removed as this OH is removed as the water molecule, and this potassium is added to here, so that we will be getting potassium salt of phthalimide. Next, this potassium salt of phthalimide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by the hydrolysis, when it is treated with the alkyl halide, this K plus and this X is removed, and this alkyl group is added to this compound, and this is called N-alkyl phthalimide. When this alkyl phthalimide, when it is undergo alkaline hydrolysis, that is when this is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide. It gives primary amine and also potassium thalate. This is primary amine. This is very important reaction, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. First one is thalamide. When it is treated with alcoholic solution of KOH, it gives potassium thalamide. Then potassium thalamide is now treated with the alkyl solution, alkyl halides. We will be getting N-alkyl thalamide. When this N-alkyl thalamide undergo aqueous reaction with aqueous KOH, or we can say alkaline hydrolysis, and we will be getting primary amine. The primary amine will be obtained. Next reaction is Hofmann aminolysis reaction. When alkyl halide are heated with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed tube, mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines, and finally we will be getting a quaternary ammonium salt. For example, when this CH3Br is treated with ammonia, it forms a primary amine. Now this primary amine has a tendency to act as a nucleophile. So if excess of alkyl halide is taken, further nucleophilic addition reaction takes place, and we will be getting secondary and tertiary, and finally there is a formation of quaternary ammonium salt. So here this primary amine, when it again treated with alkyl halide, and we will be getting secondary amine. Now this secondary amine, when it is treated with alkyl halide, we will be getting a tertiary amine. So here this amino group is act as a nucleophile, so that the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, and finally we will be getting a quaternary ammonium salt. This is quaternary ammonium salt, that is CH3,4N plus Br minus. This reaction is aminolysis reaction, that is also important reaction. Next method is when alkyl halide CH3Br, when it is treated with NaN3, that is sodium acid. When this alkyl halide treated with the sodium acid and followed by reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, primary amine will be obtained, that is CH3NH2. This is alkyl halide. When it is treated with the NaN3, that is sodium acid, we will be getting a methyl acid. This methyl acid reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, and we will be getting methylamine. Plus N2. Next one is chlorobenzene, that is C6H5Cl. This is chlorobenzene. When this chlorobenzene heated with alcoholic ammonia, that is NH3, and we will be getting aniline. Chlorobenzene, when it is treated with alcoholic ammonia at 200 degrees Celsius, there is a formation of aniline. Next one is aminolysis of hydroxyl compound. When the vapor of alcohol and ammonia, this is ethyl alcohol, vapor of alcohol and ammonia, when it is passed through alumina, that is Al2O3, at 400 degrees Celsius, it forms C2H5 NH2 primary amine. When this primary amine is treated with again one more molecule of alcohol C2H5OH, we will be getting C2H5 two times and NH. This is secondary amine. Further on reaction C2H5OH C2H5 tries N, that is a tertiary amine will be obtained. When ethanol and ammonia is passed over alumina, that is aluminum oxide Al2O3, it gives primary amine. Further on reaction with ethanol, it gives secondary amine. Further on reaction with one more molecule of ethanol, it gives the tertiary amine. Next reaction is when phenol, when it is undergo reaction with ammonia NH3 in presence of anhydrous acetone Cl2, that is zinc chloride, at 300 degrees Celsius, it gives aniline. Phenol, when it is treated with ammonia, the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius, it gives aniline. These are all the general method of preparation of amines.